Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to share with you these products that I was sent by InLoveArts. They carry the clear rubber or the clear silicone stamps, lots and lots of dies for die cutting. And then some papers. I believe they also have stickers. So they offered for me to go through their offerings and choose some products that I would like to review for them and to do projects. So I'm going to review the pieces today, or go through them and show them all to you. So I'll start with the stamps. This one, I should have looked up the names, but it's like a chain design. I went for mostly kind of background design stamps. This one kind of looks like cracks and paint splats. When I do the project, I will tell you the names, or I'll link them in the description below. Here's some gears, which you guys know I love the steampunk themes. And then it's pretty floral. I thought this would be really pretty with watercolors. I guess that's the side you'd want to see. Yeah, has a sticker on it. And then these really delicate smaller ones. There's some borders and leaves and banners and arrows. I thought those would just be some cool, delicate little ones that could be put on cards or used in borders, any number of things. So those are the stamps. And then this is a package of background papers, and they are, there's several different patterns. It's like patterned vellum, which I thought was kind of cool and could probably be used in a million different ways. So I'm not sure that how well this, I guess it's showing up okay. I kind of like X's and O's, some little bow tie and polka dots, kind of circles. Wonder if, let's see if I put something darker behind it, if you can see it better. I think maybe. A little plaid. Hearts. Another plaid. Kind of a cool floral X pattern. And some more circles. So I thought those were pretty cool. Figure out something fun to do with those. I love vellum. Again, I'm thinking watercolor or maybe Neocolor 2s. Something. And then this, now I haven't opened this, but this was shown as a paper kit, I think. Again, I will link the stuff, the items in the description box. Okay, so we have some different kinds of ribbons, which will probably not end up in my art because you guys know I'm not blingy at all. Some bling. I might have to make a giveaway box out of this or package out of this of the stuff that I know I won't use. I'm looking for the opening in this and not finding it. Oh, there it is. Sometimes those little overlaps are hard to find. Okay, what do we have here? Buttons. Cool little buttons. And a couple die cut leaves, wooden leaves. I'm always wanting to hold everything to the wrong side of this iPad camera. And you see that one? I can't see it. Okay, there it is. Eiffel Tower. It is a button though. It has the little holes in the middle. So those are very cute. Another little envelope. What's in this one? I think these are die cuts. So let's put them. Oops. Put them here. Stickers. I don't think they're stickers. I think they're just. I don't think. Maybe they are. They're real shiny on the back. They might be stickers. Just some cool pieces that would be nice in a journal or on a tag. Very nice. I like those. Nice quality. Nice weight to them. So we have those. And what else? These are cool envelopes too that could be reused, which you know I will. Okay, what do we got in here now? Pieces, lots of pieces. Die cuts, which is good. Like I said, they do offer a lot of different dies, but I just have the Sidekick machine, and it only takes very small dies, so I opted to go for more of the stamps instead, but these are very nice. Smaller ones, some border ones, lacy. That's very cute. There's a few of these larger, more like frames. That one. Lots of border pieces. Another butterfly. Big butterfly. Some words. I think those belonged with those other blingy pieces. That one says life is beautiful. This one says love is in the air. And we've got these border ones. A little flower. That's cool. That's very cool. So all of those pieces, I'll leave those up for right now and pick them up in a minute. And there's a piece of like ribbon lace. Some very glittery papers, which I know I won't use, but one of you might, so maybe we'll make a package. And then some, like a stationery, it says miss you on the top. And then a couple of pieces of cardstock weight paper, plain white paper. And that's it. So came in this nice little folio, which you know I will also use. Everything gets used or reused around here, right? So we're just going to put all this in here for right now. We'll reorganize it back into its proper place. So that is from InLoveArts. This is all of the cool things that they sent me. So I am going to reorganize here a little bit and get out some other supplies, and we'll make a project with some of these cool pieces.